place in the elementary school division. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Give a nice warm welcome to the lovely Alexis Carmody. How are you?
Good.
Good. Wow, she bathed before she came back. Yeah, it was a long, I know, it was a long afternoon, but you look good. The hair looks good. The outfit looks good. Turn around, show them the boots. You ever seen those? Chuck Taylor boots. I kid you not. She got her Chuck Taylors on. She's like a black. So you feeling good tonight? Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Tell me what you're singing for.
Crush, Crush, Crush by Paramore.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's yours, yours, yours.
Don't you know that we're all alone now? I need something to rock and roll, hey. Don't you know, baby, we're all alone now? I need something to rock and roll, hey. Don't you know, baby, we're all alone now? Give me something to rock, something to hurt to, play. Don't want to, I want to carry on and never have it. I got no dream, yes.
Come on up here. Hold this so you can talk back to them. Who's got the mic? Amy? All right.